How to delete your Indeed job search account. Hello guys, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete and close your Indeed job search account. So first thing you do is we go to the app, and as you can see, this is the home page. Now you go to the top corner on those three lines, click on them, and then go down to settings, click on settings, and now go to the first option, account settings, and then go down and click on close my account and tell them why you want to close it and click close. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end.